The Trillium Model's core concepts, we can propose the following mathematical equation: PFF equals sign FRW minus 1, CF 0, PL plus 1, where PF represents the probability of a future outcome, FF. A complex function that takes into account the interactions between the reflected wave, consciousness filter, and probabilistic landscape, RW minus 1. The reflected wave, a vector representing the strength and valence of past experiences. CF 0. The consciousness filter, a vector representing the current mental state, including focus, emotion, and beliefs. PL plus 1. The probabilistic landscape, a matrix representing the potential future outcomes and their associated probabilities. Breaking down the equation, the T reflected wave, RW minus 1. This vector could be represented as a series of numbers where each number corresponds to a specific past experience. The magnitude of the number could represent the strength of the memory, and the sign could represent its valence, positive or negative. Consciousness filter, CF 0. This vector could be represented as a series of numbers representing different mental states, for example, focus, emotion, belief. The magnitude of each number could represent the intensity of that state. Probabilistic landscape, PL plus 1. This matrix could be represented as a grid, where each row represents a potential future outcome and each column represents a different probability. The values in the matrix could represent the likelihood of each outcome. The function, F. This function would calculate the interaction between the reflected wave, consciousness filter, and probabilistic landscape. It could involve matrix multiplication, vector operations, or other mathematical techniques to determine how the past, present, and future interact. Note, this is a preliminary mathematical representation, and the specific form of the function, f, and the exact nature of the vectors and matrices would need to be determined through further research and experimentation. This equation provides a foundation for exploring the Trillium Model mathematically, opening doors to quantitative analysis and predictions. A hypothetical scenario. Choosing a vacation destination scenario, you're planning a week-long vacation with your family. You have a budget of $3,000, and you're interested in both relaxing on a beach and exploring a new city. You're considering two destinations, Miami, Florida, and Barcelona, Spain. Trillium Model analysis. Mental Miami, images of sunny beaches, vibrant nightlife, and family-friendly attractions. Barcelona, visions of historic architecture, world-class museums, and delicious cuisine. Physical Miami, anticipation of warm weather, swimming in the ocean, and enjoying outdoor activities. Barcelona, looking forward to walking through cobblestone streets, exploring ancient ruins, and experiencing a different culture. Emotional Miami, feeling relaxed, happy, and excited about spending quality time with family. Barcelona, anticipating a sense of adventure, curiosity, and cultural enrichment. Visual Miami, imagining yourself lounging on a beach, sipping a cocktail and watching the sunset. Barcelona, picturing yourself strolling through the Gothic Quarter, visiting the Sagrada Familia, and enjoying panoramic views of the city. Consciousness filter and probabilistic landscapes. Consciousness filter, your personal preferences, values, and beliefs will influence how you perceive and evaluate these destinations. For example, if you prioritize relaxation, Miami might seem more appealing. Probabilistic landscapes. The likelihood of choosing each destination is influenced by a variety of factors, including budget, can you afford the flights, accommodations, and activities for each destination? Travel time, how long will it take to get to each location? Visa requirements, do you need a visa to visit either country? Safety, how safe are these destinations for families? Double slit experiment analogy. Imagine the two destinations as the slits in the double slit experiment. The particles, your choices, can pass through either slit. Choose Miami or Barcelona. However, the outcome is influenced by both the slits, the destinations, and the observer, your consciousness filter. Your choices are not predetermined, but are shaped by a combination of factors, both conscious and unconscious. 20 probabilistic landscapes, budget-focused. Miami is more affordable due to lower flight costs and cheaper accommodations. Family-friendly. Miami offers more family-oriented activities and attractions. Cultural immersion. Barcelona provides a more authentic cultural experience. Adventure. Barcelona offers more opportunities for hiking, biking and exploring. Beach relaxation. Miami has better beaches and more water sports. City exploration. Barcelona offers a richer urban experience with historic sites and museums. Food and drink. Barcelona has a more diverse and renowned food scene. Nightlife. Miami has a more vibrant and energetic nightlife. Safety. Both destinations are relatively safe, but Miami might be slightly safer for families. Language. Barcelona requires some knowledge of Spanish, while Miami is more English-friendly. Weather. Miami has a more predictable and sunny climate. Travel time. Miami is closer for many travelers. Visa requirements. Neither destination requires a visa for most travelers. Accommodations. Barcelona offers a wider range of accommodation options, from budget-friendly hostels to luxury hotels. Transportation. Miami is more car-friendly, while Barcelona has a well-developed public transportation system. Activities. Both destinations offer a wide range of activities, but Miami might be better for beach and water sports, while Barcelona is better for cultural and historical experiences. Personal preferences. Your own preferences for relaxation, adventure, culture, or family-friendly activities will influence your decision. Recommendations. Recommendations from friends, family, or travel experts can also impact your choice. Last-minute deals. Unexpected deals or discounts might sway your decision. Intuition. Sometimes your gut feeling or intuition can play a role in making a choice. By considering these probabilistic landscapes and applying the Trillium Model, you can make a more informed decision about your vacation destination. Remember that the outcome is not predetermined, but is shaped by a complex interplay of factors, both conscious and unconscious. This new perspective draws upon the intriguing principles of quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that governs the behavior of matter at the atomic and subatomic levels. Quantum mechanics, with its probabilistic nature and inherent uncertainties, offers a radically different framework for understanding the universe. It challenges our conventional notions of reality, suggesting that the fabric of the cosmos is far more complex and interconnected than we ever imagined. At the forefront of this paradigm shift is Andre Smith's quantum Trillium Model, a framework that proposes a profound connection between consciousness and the quantum realm. This model posits that consciousness is not merely an emergent property of brain activity, but a fundamental aspect of reality itself. It suggests that the mind and the quantum world are intricately linked, with consciousness playing a crucial role in shaping the very fabric of the universe. This model, as we will explore, Smith suggests that consciousness is not merely a byproduct of brain activity, but rather a fundamental aspect of reality, intricately woven into the fabric of the universe. He challenges the traditional view that the mind is a passive observer of the physical world, proposing instead that consciousness actively participates in the creation of reality. His revolutionary idea has profound implications for our understanding of the mind and its place in the cosmos. By integrating the principles of quantum mechanics with a holistic understanding of the human experience, his quantum Trillium Model offers a fresh and compelling perspective on the age-old question of consciousness. It opens up new avenues for research, encouraging scientists to explore the deep connections between the mind and the quantum world. This interdisciplinary approach promises to shed new light on the mysteries of consciousness, revealing insights that could transform our understanding of the human experience. This essay delves into the depths of the quantum Trillium Model, exploring its core principles, its implications for our understanding of consciousness, and the exciting avenues for future research that it opens up. We will examine the key concepts that underpin this model, from the role of quantum entanglement in conscious experience to the potential for quantum computing to unlock new dimensions of the mind. By delving into these cutting-edge theories, we aim to provide a comprehensive overview of the quantum Trillium Model and its transformative potential. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the mysteries of the mind and its intricate dance with the quantum world. Together, we will explore the frontiers of consciousness, delving into the profound connections between the mind and the cosmos. Through this exploration, we hope to gain a deeper understanding of the nature of reality and our place within it. The journey promises to be both enlightening and transformative, offering new insights into the timeless question of what it means to be conscious.